Fetty, what are you doing behind the camera?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey you guys, we're here today with a box and Fetty behind the camera.
Uh-huh.
Why? It's very weird.
I'm very sore.
What are you talking about? That's awesome. Wow. It's like you've been training with Aaron for many years and now you're leaving to go to LA. I wonder why. Can you help me out right here?
Hello, Nigel.
This is my drill. You guys just use it.
Okay! This is mine.
A free shirt.
Wait.
What are those?
From 121C Pure Carbon. Hi Braille team, we're huge fans of your channel. Your videos are awesome and you guys write some ridiculous stuff. I started 121C 3 years ago when I realized how much carbon fiber the aerospace industry sends into landfill. I wanted to create a cool way to put all of this high performance material to good use. Now I've grown 121C into a full-time business and we get to make wicked boards out of the same material used to make spaceships. And we're also helping to reduce landfill waste. We're very excited for you to demo 2 of our cruiser boards, the...
Demo as in demolition?
I think they mean test.
Oh.
Would you like to pronounce that, Luke?
Where?
The aileron.
Aerospace?
The Rover's a smaller one, huh?
Aileron. Just skip it. That's what I do.
We're very excited for you to demo 2 of our cruiser boards, the aileron and the Rover. Both decks are made from pure carbon fiber. We never stopped developing new concepts, but we're going to be launching a freestyle longboard and downhill racing board in the near future. After that, we'll begin developing a traditional trick deck, which I'm looking forward to. We can't wait to hear your feedback, and we've included some 121C swag and custom 121C carabiners that you can carry around your boards. Smooth
They're
riding
custom.
from Ryan.
Did you see them?
Say Braille on one side. Boom. 121.
Oh, what the heck? It has shark wheels! Carlos, why would you do that?
For you!
That's awesome. Carlos, this is a perfect size board for you.
Oh, it's light too, heck yeah.
Oh, they sent us decals as well.
Look,
never tried shark wheels.
you never have to worry about mall grabbing ever again.
Is that like skate shop grab?
Yo,
Yeah,
hold
skate
up.
shop grab, exactly.
I don't know.
The center of the universe is
Some form of planet and a skateboard. Flat earthers, explain this.
Or is it a magnifying glass?
The moon.
Nope, just some more decals and a very tiny Allen key.
What is that for?
I don't know.
Who's Alan?
And why is he the key? It has the moon on it.
Whoa. Fetty, feel this.
That's actually the picture Troy took from the moon.
So we got Earth, and then this is smaller than the Earth, so we're gonna put the moon next to Earth right now.
That's not the moon.
the moon, bro.
I don't think it's a moon. It
It's-
looks like
it's gonna
a...
remind me of a
I
moon.
think
Okay?
it's a marble.
moon craters.
I am agreeing with Uzi on this one, actually.
You guys do not have an imagination. This is so sad.
No, but think about it.
The center of the universe.
That's a hot air balloon.
Maybe this is Mars.
This is my next pro
Mars is
model.
in blue.
That is Uranus.
You can color correct.
I'm pretty sure that's Venus.
So it's Planet Craylon.
Gosh, this shirt is comfortable. Whoa, feel this.
Are they plastic?
That's metal.
It feels like weird metal though.
It's like textured.
That's strange.
Who is Randall?
Beautiful.
Looking though.
Randall the Vandal.
It's time, Fetty. Camera Fetty's like the best version of Fetty, but sometimes he can't stick around.
But I want to go home.
So if
I'm
you-
going to Barnes & Noble today.
Oh, can I go?
I just want to make a confession. I'm Aaron Cairo's son.
What the heck? Who's in the kickflip off?
Volunteering him.
Uzi, come on.
I think they're gonna snap in half when I try and split into little shards.
Board you're on?
No, you gotta do the small board first. Oh.
You know what I hate about this whole ordeal is when I step on this, it's gonna look like a normal skateboard.
Ooh, it
It's
seems
gonna
tough.
take some time, yeah.
Please, let me kick flip it.
You gotta ride it first.
That was your fault.
Oh, yeah, you did a really good job.
I just...
You called in the right guy. This side, buddy. It almost flipped half. Hey, no one's watching. I might get another shot.
I think this is gonna break into a million pieces
You think
and
so?
kill me.
I actually don't think
And
so.
kill me. Do you see the end of this?
How will it kill you?
Look at it looks like paper. You know when you get a paper cut? This is gonna be a metal skateboard cut. And look at when I stand on it. Watch how much it flexes. It almost touches the ground.
Hey, that was good.
I didn't die.
You wanna partake in this bottle flipper?
Straight for the 3 flip, huh?
Betty the Trend Potter.
You have a good chance?
I do think I have a good chance. A great chance.
Make your job easy. We should get a chair for you. You want a chair? I'll actually go get you one.
It's all about
Enough talk. Let's see.
Oh! We counted! And we counted! The crowd goes wild.
I'm worried because every morning I pull up and then I have a little burst of joy in the morning because I remember to turn my headlights off when I get here, and I don't remember having that little burst of joy, so I might have left my headlights on all day.
I just couldn't follow anything he said.
Double flip, bro.
Little boards, little Cthulhu, usually makes sense, but for some reason.
Dang.
I'm not gonna not obey the rules. Dang it, Luke.
Luke, you do that again, I'll...
In 2 tries?
He had 3 tries because you're not paying attention.
I was watching, but I said, I think Gabe has more morals than that, but obviously he doesn't.
Luke is about to...
Let me try. Alright, cool. We're all getting second tries.
Hey, you better...
Gotta start this new wave.
Betty is ready.
You're right. Let's be aggressive.
Oh, there is one.
No, everybody else got 2 tries. I get 1.
Oh, there it is again. We're gonna miss those, Kelly.
I'm not.
Y'all watch out, I got a sharp paper thin skateboard. Thing flew away on me. It's a piece of paper.
I get da-da-da.
Oh, there it is.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da.
It's like
Da-da-da.
a really advanced penny board.
ESPN, dude.
Okay, then what does ESPN stand for?
What does it stand for?
I just don't want to say.
Fetty said he'd give me $10 if I landed this.
Did you really?
Program montage.
Oh yeah, you suck. Did you get a shimmy?
Yeah.
Oh!
One more. He's got it.
Ow.
Oh!
That works.
Oh, that was just my ankle right there.
Oh!
See how finesse I had to go? Like,
Dang.
hard flip.
How was the small one?
Small.
Can I have it? That's like perfect for cruising, but trick-wise, yeah.
I will kick flip this. Don't sign me up for the Braille camp because it's too good of a deal.
It's a little BB head right now.
Wait, were you wearing that hat on top of your hat?
Yes. Oh, okay.
Alright, Daniel. What he just did, but it was really fast. Who doesn't have a car charger nowadays? You got it, Carlos! Take it down! Oh!
That'd be a first try.
Did it hit the ground? That's scary. That was the best roll off of 5-stair I've ever seen. Wait, so Daniel, I have a question. Because you seem like a man of science. Is carbon fiber like really strong? So technically these theoretically indestructible little cruisers, right? Like you can't break that small one because it's carbon fiber and it's indestructible. You can't break it. Woo! Like, there's no way you would be able to break that. Look at that, no way. Yeah, not happening. Yep, years. You can go film Carlos's try and it still won't break. Oh no! We should just put Line-X on one of these and then it's really indestructible. Hey, you break this, you get $10,000. Not really. Not really. Not really.
Oh, I landed like on the truck and I was sliding on the tire. Like,
You good? What? Why did he pull up his pants? Do it. Wearing white. Like I said, indestructible.
Yeah. But if I really wanted to, I could break it in half.
Yeah, you could.
Gabe, just stand.
Have you been eating your fiber?
All I know will follow up with that, when there's bug in your food, you eat it. It's protein, okay? When there's hair in your food, that's fiber. You eat it, okay?
time that he's fine, he's landing that. But now that he's so sore, he's just gonna get launched, of course. Hey, those things go pretty fast. Yeah! Carlos, there you go.
His anger.
It's a good thing, man.
Oh, it is?
Sometimes you gotta release it.
Oh, got it.
It's like children. You know, if you play with them all day, then at night they're gonna sleep through the whole night, right?
Got it.
So Fetty, sometimes he has a lot of anger. To let him let it out.
Yeah. I know this is a side note, but I want to tell you about a dream. It's gonna take 5 seconds.
That's fine. Good.
So I always have this dream that there's just gonna be this huge like end of the world crisis, and if you can kickflip, you can survive, right? Oh, so this is more of a nightmare for me.
Okay.
So it's like going up.
Wait. I have a question before you finish that.
This is for my family.
Is it like you only have one try to kickflip?
Yeah, one try, right? And of course, in my dreams, I always miss.
Yeah.
And so my family goes with me.
Hashtag notification squad. If you had to do a kickflip to save your life, would you be able to?
I mean, I think I would, but in my dreams, even my dreams doubt me.
I love how Carlos is over here like really trying to send a trick, and we're just having a conversation about
I would do it
kickflips and
switch.
dreams. I would do it triple, and then I would save 3 families because I triple kickflipped in one, or I might lose 3. Oh my gosh, Daniel, why do you have to do this to me every time? I don't know how that happened, but I'm not surprised at all that it did happen.
Weird when it rolls.
Yeah,
like-
I had the shark wheels that we skated many years ago at my house, and I brought them back. That's impossibly hard. Hello? Yeah? Oh, okay. Your attempt was out of this world.
That's so last year.
It went vertical. That was weird.
You want to see a trick that haven't been done in a while? Yep, never mind. Dropping in. That one part.
You know, if Luke didn't go, he totally would have landed that too. I think these guys need to make a pro model board for Vinny, because then it would be made out of carbon fiber. You mess up the blunt and you get your arm chopped off.
If there's a will, there's a way.
He got razor bladed.
That's right.
Let's go, baby. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Just do it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm sorry. You didn't have to.
Oh my god.
I was not paying attention and I just totally hung up. And Fetty's laughing at me.
Making waves at the skate park.
I didn't think twice about doing that. For a second, I was like, that was a dumb idea.
Carlos is great, so he can do tricks on these things along with Luke and Fetty, but they're meant for cruising. And for that, they're very good. And I guess for some tricks, they're good as well. Take us out of here, mate. I got word that Kelly is sleeping in Luke's car. Theoretically, the only right thing to do is to go out there and scare him. So what should we do? And I'm gonna go,
That'd be pretty
just
good.
like that. Or maybe I just stand there and my face is scary enough.
Okay, let's go. You didn't even wake up.
No way.
What in the
How
world?
anticlimactic.
He's been
is that?
acting like he's been sleeping this entire time.
Liar.
No, he's out.
Out like a light.
He's like out cold.
I just
right
saw him smile. He's faking it right now.
What a loser. Where did you get a cucumber?
My pocket.
I'm just as confused as you guys about Fetty's cucumber, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below, and a huge thanks to Ryan for sending us those awesome carbon fiber cruisers. Click the videos to my left, your right to check out playlist, videos, amazing content that you will enjoy. You will not be disappointed. We will see you, tomorrow.